ONPASSIVE is the answer to having a remarkably successful life for users of the internet. Never again will anyone lose money, their dignity, their friends, and family, trying to make a better life for themselves. ONPASSIVE is risk-free. Mr. Mufareh built into ONPASSIVE a company that works with its users. There are no gotchas when using ONPASSIVE state-of-the-art digital products. ONPASSIVE is safe to use, with no adverse side effects. ONPASSIVE is built to help. ONPASSIVE is the blueprint to financial survival or financial opulence. Whatever way a person uses ONPASSIVE, he or she will be successful. The world needs the financial stimulus that ONPASSIVE provides. The founder's position in ONPASSIVE is truly remarkable. Never has something that costs so little, returned so much. Really, the only investment made is patience. Patience and belief in ONPASSIVE's ability to deliver all that it has promised. The power of believing in ONPASSIVE should consume all founders. When users of the internet discover what ONPASSIVE offers them, value, superior digital products powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, at a significant reduced cost, they will come into ONPASSIVE in masses. Very soon our wait will be over. How are we going to feel when we will never have to worry about paying our bills? Not worrying about having enough money to retire or working until we are 60 years or older to retire. ONPASSIVE is going to take care of all founders, then we will take care of those who are suffering financially and help them. Uplifting humanity will become a passion for many. Mr. Mufareh has created ONPASSIVE with failure-resistant materials. Love, compassion, caring for people. That is an unbeatable combination. Let all of us catch the spirit of ONPASSIVE. Be proud of what we have been given, ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE is the cure-all for all who have ventured into the internet and lost. ONPASSIVE will solve our problems of not having money. Having money causes less anxiety and depression, improving the quality of life for millions of people. We are living in momentous times, where more and more people are suffering financially. ONPASSIVE will eliminate a lot of their financial problems and concerns. Mr. Mufareh's love and compassion for people are perfectly reflected in his creating ONPASSIVE. With over 1,200,000 loving and compassionate founders supporting ONPASSIVE, ONPASSIVE can't be defeated. We are almost there. The journey has taken longer than some have thought. Nothing great has ever been accomplished by rushing ahead before it is time. The creator of ONPASSIVE has a system that has never been designed until now. A completely automated system that assures everyone who uses its products will succeed. That has not been done by any other company ever. ONPASSIVE is the first company to do it. That is why ONPASSIVE is going to disrupt the norms of doing business on the internet. Thanks to ONPASSIVE's innovative genius, Mr. Mufareh. Our lives and the lives of the people we love and know will change forever. We all can see the vision of Mr. Mufareh. ONPASSIVE's emergence is imminent. Keep the faith. The force protecting ONPASSIVE is powerful. What is that force? It is the love for people. Love conquers hate.